Did you know that you can get a 5-bedroom Barndominium house for only $67,887? Or maybe you didn't know that you can get a modern home like this for less money than you would spend for a Tesla Cybertruck. Well, those facts are nothing compared to the 7 Barndominium homes you can get for under $100,000. Because in my opinion, you'd be crazy to spend over $430,000, and for many of you, it's twice as much where you live when there are all these other options out there. And it doesn't matter what your style is, or if you want to use it as an investment property, or if you want to use it as your primary residence. The point today is that there's a Barndominium home for you. Before we get started, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're looking for something that feels luxurious and has a suite in the main bedroom, then this first home is going to be perfect for you. So this home is $72,116. It's a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, and is 2,990 square feet. So it says a 2-story barndominium plan, has a master suite downstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs, plus an office and a loft. A wraparound porch makes this 3,000 square foot Barndo, I thought it said Bando, designed perfect for a second home country getaway or primary residence. It can be built anywhere in the USA. Some small structural changes will be made for high snow areas. All right, so let's check out some of the pictures. This is interesting. They have this tree branch or whatever, but this is an example of what it could ultimately look like. So this one is blue. I like that blue. Lots of windows, what a potential driveway could look like if you wanted to have that as well. And then this is the interior. So the 2 bedrooms, this is the upstairs, I believe. Then there is the office, and then a little almost like family room, I guess, bathroom, etc. And then this next rendering of what the interior could potentially look like. You have the main bedroom. You have the main bedroom suite with the bathroom. Then you have a open concept area. So like dining room, living room, kitchen with like a little bar area, laundry room, etc. And then a 3-car garage that is quite spacious. And just another picture. I think this is the back of it now. And they call this home the Blue Magnolia. So one thing I want to point out, it says red iron steel kit. The steel barndominium kit comes with all the metal for the main steel structure, roof, siding, and roof materials for porches. And I really like the description. It says the open concept kitchen is a home chef's dream, complete with state-of-the-art appliances and a pantry for all your gourmet needs. Now, obviously, you need to add all those things. And I'm not much of a cook, but I'm sure for those of you who love cooking, this is something that's pretty cool. If you're looking for a modern ranch style home and you need a lot of space to raise a family, then you'll love the next one. So this one is $71,000. It is 3,720 square feet, and it's 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. So for this one, so it says the double D barndominium floor plan has 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a large shop, hidden gun room, bar with an indoor-outdoor living area, wraparound porch, huge living area. The plan is not for everyone, okay? The large barndominium plan combines style and elegance in a rugged barndominium shell. We were lucky enough to have photos from a contractor, oh, that's great, who sent them over while he was building this one. So let's check that out. So these are just some renderings. This one is in black, really like that. And then this is just the layout. So the garage / shop or whatever you want to use it for can fit at minimum 3 cars. Then there's a covered porch. There is like a bar, dining room, bedrooms, laundry, mudroom, bathrooms, etc. And then the upstairs plan, you have the bedrooms, which looks like they all have bathrooms, which is pretty cool. And then you have the loft area as well. All right, so these are like the real pictures. This came out really, really nice. I like this. Another angle. And it's cool to see it in like real life versus the renderings. I'm sure you all will agree with that. The renderings, but cool to see it in real life. And then this is just like the kit, just like the frame, I guess, if that's what you got. And then the interior, as it's getting built out, so you see the wood starting to get put up and all that stuff. So it's cool to see the project in progress and then what a potential interior could look like. So like the bar area or the counter area, whatever they call these things, in the kitchen. And then again, you have the open concept. You have the loft area you see up there as well. And then in the actual loft area, which is pretty cool, one of the bedrooms, bathroom, and just the different colors you can get too. So it's cool that it's customizable. That's really nice. So this is interesting. When you purchase this barndominium plan and later decide to buy the kit, we will deduct the cost of the plan from the price of your kit. So one thing I want to point out is that you can honestly just buy the plan, but then you have to figure everything else out. So the plan itself is like about $1,000, but you can also buy the kit as well. So you have some different options here. Something else I want to call your attention to, as we said, it is 71,000, but they say you can plan to spend 54,000 to erect and close off. So that's an expense that you want to keep in mind, whether you do it with them or with someone else. And it said you must have windows and exterior doors installed on the job site for the crew. And it seems like there's quite a bit of customization that can be made to this as well. If you or your loved ones have limited mobility, or you simply prefer to live in a house that's just one level, then the next house is for you. So this next home is $67,887.50. That's like so specific. They should have just rounded up on that one. But it's 4,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. So it says the single story barndominium floor plan is designed to give the kids a wing of the house. The Liberty Barndominium is a perfect Barndo plan if you have teenagers or use the Barndo as a retreat where you bring guests. The Barndominium kit price does not include erecting the building. So let's check this out. So this rendering is pretty nice. And it seems like these would be really good if you have like a lot of land and a lot of space around you. At least that's how it's displayed in the pictures. So this is just the front, another angle of the front, and then kind of from like the side. And this is the layout. So the garage can fit at minimum 2 cars, at least 2 cars. And you have the dining area, living area. Looks like everything is open. And then the main bathroom and then the main bedroom, which looks like it includes a bathroom as well, several closets, pantry, mudroom, hallway, laundry room, etc. So a lot of storage space, it seems like. There's also a front porch and a back porch. And then on the other side, I guess this is the kids' wing, there are 4 bedrooms, and then there's a playroom, which is really cool. But it's interesting because the kids or whoever is on the right wing over here will kind of be separated off from whoever is in the main bedroom, which is, I'm sure, nice sometimes. And there's some more pictures from different angles. So I actually called the company several times to get some more information. And they mentioned that if you want to actually buy the kit, you can't check out online. You have to call in, see what's available, and you can go from there. They also mentioned that the cost to erect and install everything varies depending on the size, the location, the build time, and several other factors. So I appreciate them explaining the process because I want to make sure I give you all the most accurate information possible. So let's talk more about the details of this house. So there are 2 different versions of this that someone can get. The first is called the structurally insulated panel. So it says our most popular kit. These wall panels come with closed cell foam insulation. Standard walls are R26, roof is R21. We can go as high as R51 if needed. Kit is 70% of a complete home and includes walls, roof, closed cell foam insulation, windows, exterior doors, interior wall framing for all rooms. The prices do not include installation. So if you got that particular package, it would be $244,250. And once that's done, it'll be ready for electrical and plumbing. Now, if you just bought the kit, the Barndominium kit, iron steel, just the kit, then the price would be $67,887.50. And it comes with front and back porch, roof metal only, wood rafters and posts are not included. And it's essentially the shell of the house as it mentions. So one thing people who cover this topic rarely say is that you actually have to build this thing out. You have to budget for the expenses, and some of the things that you need to look out for were mentioned in the list of what the 70% done house includes. Now, what I suggest is comparing the cost to get it mostly done with a company like this, or seeing what it will cost to like find your own people to install everything, erect it, and all those things, and see what makes the most sense. So you'll need to take care of plumbing, electric, things like that. You're also going to need land to put this on. So if you don't already own land, that's another cost that you're going to incur. And then you also have to make sure the land is prepped to have this type of structure on it. You also need to know the zoning laws for your local area and just make sure that you're doing things by the book so that you're not wasting time and you're not wasting money. If multi-generational living is important for your family and perhaps you have parents living with you or children or some combination of relatives living with you, then this next home is going to be perfect for you. So the in-laws, outlaws, I don't know why it says outlaws. That's kind of cool, kind of funny. Multi-generational barndominium floor plan. So this one is $84,933. It is 5 beds, 4 baths, and a 3-car garage, and it is about 4,300 square feet. So this is a really, really big one. So let's check out some of the pictures. So this is a rendering from a front angle, and then this is the layout. So it looks like there is a playroom, several bathrooms on one side, several bedrooms, and an office. And then living room, kitchen, dining room, outdoor patio, front porch, main bedroom, which includes a bathroom, laundry, walk-in closet, pantry, etc. And then on the other wing or in the other corner, there is a bedroom with a bathroom, office, living room area. So I guess this would be like the in-laws or, older kids and their families, whatever the case is, whoever potentially in this wing. So I think this is great for large families that want to live together or need to live together for a certain period of time to cut costs. I think this would be a really good one for that. And then the garage can fit 3 cars. I think this is the back patio, this rendering as well. And then this rendering, it kind of shows what the layout we saw would actually could potentially look like in real time. So you have the garage and, living room, dining room, kitchen, open concept, and then, all the bedrooms and the different wings as well. Looks like a picture from the side, a rendering from the side, another from the front. So let's read a bit more about the in-law suite. So the attached in-law suite is a masterpiece in itself, providing a self-contained living for the utmost independence. A fully equipped kitchen, luxurious bath, and private laundry facilities ensure comfort and convenience. The master bedroom is a retreat of tranquility, and an adjacent office guest room offers flexibility and space for guests or work. Really cool home. Now, if you want something more simple and you don't actually need that much space, this next home is going to be perfect for that. This home is $33,963. It's 2 bed, 2 bath, and a little over 1,100 square feet. So the simple and small barndominium floor plan is 1,131 square feet and seems so much larger. The plan has a huge screened-in porch in the back and a 2-car garage shop, and is laid out to maximize usable space. Let's check out some of these renderings. So this is it in red. Yeah, it looks, pretty small and compact, but for some people that's all you need. Another rendering with it in white, and then the back of it as well. Got a little seating area back there. Another one in the white, another angle from the side, and then the interior rendering. So yeah, you have a little shop if you need, and then 2-car garage. You got the bedrooms on this side, bathrooms, and the kitchen area, living area, etc. And then the back patio or front patio. I'm not sure which one this is. Then another angle of the interior rendering, and then the layout. Okay, screen porch back here and a porch, garage and bathroom in the garage. That's cool. Interesting. And the dining, living area, bathroom, etc., but just without all the stuff in it, just like more of like a layout. At this point, we have 2 homes to go. But first, let's learn more about the company that's creating these. So the homes are made by a company called My Barndo Plans in Texas. So as you can see, they have the popular home plans displayed here, and then what makes our barndominium floor plans unique. We have in-house architects that design affordable homes and steel kits for barndominiums for customers around the country, and this website is a great place to show off their work and share our affordable home plans with more people. Home prices in the US are out of control, which is 100% fact, and we are committed to finding more affordable ways to build great homes, which is really, really cool. These kits are a great way to keep the cost of building a home in check. Building a home should be a fun experience, and building a brand style home should be both fun and affordable. So they offer customized Barndo plans, wide variety of plans, experienced designers, just displaying some more of their floor plans and customized house plans, and 100% price guaranteed. Good summary. If you're looking to get a bang for your buck and you're into the shipping container style homes, I think you'll really love the next one. Also, out of all the homes we look at, don't forget to let me know which one of these you would buy. So this one is $24,665. It is 2 beds, 2 baths. It's about 1,200 square feet. So this 1,200 square foot barndominium floor plan has a modern flair. We can add a garage, shop, or a carport. So this is probably good for someone who doesn't necessarily want all the extra stuff, but you can add it if you'd like. So let's take a look at some of the renderings. So yeah, this is kind of like reminds me of a shipping container, but this is a rendering of the front, and it looks like there's some seating areas there. This is the back side of it. Very simple. Another angle of the front. So not too many pictures of this one, but you kind of get the idea. But I think it's really good that they have budget options as well. It says if you are looking for a small barndominium plan that lives like a larger plan, this is it. All right, so if you're looking for an open floor plan and you're into more of a country style home, then look no further than this last home. This one's called the Anthem Barndominium floor plan. So it is 3 bed, 2.5 baths. The garage can fit 3 cars, and it is about 2,700 square feet. Let's take a look at the renderings. So this is the front. I like this color combination, and it looks like another part of the front. What's up with this little tree branch? It's kind of throwing me off a little bit. All right, this is the layout. So the covered porch is pretty large. You have the living room, dining room, kitchen, like an open concept situation, and then you have the bedroom back here. You have a den, pantry, etc. Then the garage, which can fit those 3 cars. And then the upstairs, you have the 2 bedrooms here. You have a bathroom, and then you also have that loft area as well. which can be used for anything. And then this is just a layout with just what it could potentially look like. So all the rooms and garage, etc. And then an angle of the potential layout with the upstairs. And then just another exterior from the side and then from the back. So again, a couple options for this one. The first one being the SIP wall kit, which is 174,000. And so that includes structural insulated panels or a SIP for the entire structure, closed cell spray foam walls and roof, windows, exterior doors, internal framing, floor joists, not decking, moisture barrier. 70% of the home is complete after erecting. The kit does not include erecting. The 174,000 price does include delivery. And the benefit of the SIP kits is energy efficiency, strength and durability, speed of construction, reduce air infiltration, and design flexibility. Is pretty cool. So you can do that, or you can simply just buy the steel kit. And that's going to cost you $69,980. And it also said plan on 35 to 36,000 to erect the kit. So these are just all things that you definitely should keep in mind again. Now to recap, the cost to do everything will be more than just purchasing the kit. Even if you opted for the service where you would have a 70% completed home, there's still additional things that you're gonna have to pay for. Now, based on where you live, there is a possibility that you can build this for less than the median priced home in the US, which is over $400,000, or less than whatever the median home price is in whatever area you would wanna do this. Now, the one thing you're probably worrying about is how exactly are you gonna finance this? So I did some research and I did find some financing options for barndominiums. There's various companies that offer it, and we're going to look at one that I found in Kansas City. But like I mentioned, there are many of them all throughout the country that can help you out. So this is First Federal Bank of Kansas City barndominium financing. So financing for both the construction period as well as the permanent mortgage following the construction, which is great. So to build it up and then to have a long-term mortgage. And actually, it looks like they have a national lending footprint to fund your Barndo build in all 48 continental states. So it looks like they lend pretty much nationwide to the mainland states. And then posting steel frame construction lending specialists on staff to assist you from the design stage to the securing a competitive fixed rate mortgage loan. So I hope this provides you with some encouragement that, you know, you don't necessarily have to come out of your own pocket to pay for this, because obviously it could be easily a couple $100,000. And they have some examples of different homes I guess they have financed or something like that. So this is a good resource, and then there's some FAQs at the bottom. So definitely check this out if this is something that you think you might want to do. So what I love most about making these videos is that it helps you all think outside the box and think of different affordable options and ways that you can get into real estate, either as a primary residence or as an investment property. There's an endless number of things you can do and different types of options that you can explore. Now, it seems to me like this company and others like it are doing some great work and simply giving folks some different options. And we all know these days we need as many alternatives as we can get, because homes, especially in certain areas, are extremely expensive right now. Now, if where you live is extremely expensive and investing out of state is something that you've considered, go to the link in the pinned comment and you can learn a little bit more about how I can help you reach that goal. Now that you know where to buy barndominium homes for under $100,000, I want you to learn about homes that you can buy from Amazon for $40,000 or less. Check out this video right here.